guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I just woke up and I decided to bake a banana bread today on my rest day. Typically I'll just do household chores on my days off, but today I just want to do something, different, like out of the routine. And yeah, gotta bake. Currently melting the butter so I could cream the butter and the sugar, and now I'm currently sifting the flour. I should have used the plain flour, but I don't have it. And then it's so fast. Now I'm chopping the chocolates for the extra sweetness for my banana bread to have good texture as well. And then adding a dates for another sweet tooth. And then now I'm gonna cream the butter and the sugar. This is my old banana. I don't know, it's been months old. I put it in the freezer, so as long as you put them in the freezer, they're gonna be alright. So I need 4 bananas, and then I have 3 ripe ones, and I need to add a ripe banana, which is harder to smashed. Anyway, I'm using my right hand and the other hand for camera. That's why it's so hard to film cooking videos by yourself. Banana, I'm in love with banana. We're gonna make banana bread today because it's Monday and it's my day off, and I need a breakfast. So what I do so I could afford to bake some food or breads is I slowly buy the ingredients. I don't buy by bulk, and then after that, okay, roll it. Is banana. So after creaming the butter and the sugar, I'm gonna add now the bananas that I have, and mix them for a few minutes until it's well incorporated. Don't forget to scrape the bowl and the KitchenAid attachment, because every ingredient is very vital for our banana bread and we can't waste any of it. And then while waiting, I'm gonna add up next is the egg, which is 1 at a time. And then now I'm grabbing my dry ingredients. So adding my first one. Add egg. I'm gonna mix it for 5 seconds. And then I'm gonna add up my second egg, which is now I need to over mix. So you just mix the egg with a mixture for the egg. The first egg should be 5 seconds and the second egg is 15 seconds. And then we're gonna add now our flour. mix the B-carb soda and the salt in here. Bilis ah! Tapos na? Or may timer?
Iniwan ko.
Ay, maganda. Another one. Okay.
Ay, hindi na ka din.
Sige lang. Luto-luto lang kasi bored ako eh. Don't forget to clean up the sides. Oh my god, I make a mess. Now I'm adding up my vanilla extract, and then yes, it's gonna add up a aroma on our banana bread, and then putting all up my nuts, which is the cashew nuts, currants, and almond nuts, and I don't know what else, but it's a mixed nuts. And then just slowly fold them together, incorporate all the mixture so that it's gonna be well balanced and the nuts won't go down. And what else? Yeah, just do it gently, don't overmix. That's it. Baby, it's cold outside. That's the banana bread, and it's growing. Don't forget to let it cool down, but the problem that I've got is I cool it down, but I get too excited and then cut it up, and then end up my banana bread was ruined. So anyway, what can I do? The damage has been done, but yeah, I should have waited a little bit longer, but I'm really impatient because I'm really hungry and I want to try it so bad. And then yeah, if if you want to check out the recipe, I'm gonna put it on the link on the description below. And yes, it's a good healthy snack for your day, and you can have it while you're doing your assignments, or to eat with friends or family. It's a good snack. I'll tell you what, this recipe is a must try. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you, and see you in the next one. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below for upcoming videos. Ciao, bye.